In today's video, I'll teach you how to change your country or region in Airbnb. First of all, launch open Airbnb application. You can see over here Airbnb application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the Explore interface. Now, if you want to change your country or region, what you have to do is go to the profile interface. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface of Airbnb. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like account settings, get help, view profile, etc. Tap on this option, account settings, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the account settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for personal information. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the personal info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So in order to change the country or region, what you have to do is find this option for residential address. Once you do that, tap on the edit option that you can see right next to that particular option. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to change the address. Tap on this option, change address, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, from here you'll be able to change the country or region. So in order to change the country or region, simply tap on the field of country or region. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply tap on the country or region that you would like to change to. After you do that, also provide the information like street address, postal code, city or town, etc. So first of all, enter the street address over here. Now enter the postal code. Also enter the city or town over here. Now select the province. Now tap on this option, save, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your country or region will be changed. So that is how you change country or region in Airbnb. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.